What's happening, everyone? We're back today with another video on the ST. Today we're going to be doing the gear selector seal, because the other day when we was filming the van trims, we noticed once the car was moved there was an oil patch on the floor, so I quickly laid my head under and we was presented with all this nastiness here, and my main culprit is going to be that selector seal. So what we need to do is, obviously your setup's going to be a bit different because you're going to have all nice plastic covering to cover all this up, and you're going to have twist fit cables, and you're going to have to push down on your cables to release them, so just bear that in mind. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get these gear cables off. We're going to take out this circlip here to remove the shifter arm, which will allow us to get access to this selector arm here, and then I'll show you what you need to do next. But before any of that as well, I'm just going to give it a quick little clean with brake cleaner because it's very oily down here. Okay, so now you can see gear cables are off and the actual shifter arm is off itself. So if we look round, you'll see there's a selector arm here with a Torx bolt. Pretty sure it's a T30 if I remember rightly. Probably pushed to a 40, but you need to now take this bolt out and this actual arm just slides off itself. So we'll just quickly get this off and hopefully get on to the next step. Okay, now that's off. We'll just try and get this actual arm. Okay, so now it's off. We'll just remove this dust cover that, as you can see, is absolutely mangled, and then we need to now get this part of the seal out here.
Come around the top too.
Right here.
Go behind that cable if you can.
Like that?
No, that angle.
Like that?
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Happy days. With a bit of luck, you should be able to get the seal out. It's a bit mangled, however, it doesn't matter because we're going to be replacing this with a new unit. I reckon I should grease it.
Just get a little bit of the oil. Just dripping out.
So we'll just lubricate this seal just a tiny bit with the oil that's coming out, just so it doesn't pick up too much. And we'll place it over the shaft. And we'll get a 17mm deep socket, place it over. No, I don't even think that is either.
That will be.
Just tap it. Just gently tap it in. Do you reckon about there?
Yeah, it's flush, isn't it?
Yeah. So we'll just tap it in flush, and that's your new seal fitted. Luckily, when you buy these seals from Ford, you get a nice dust cover that Luke's kindly just passed to me now, so you don't have to worry about your old one being damaged. Luckily Luke was able to get this on, so now we'll just be putting this in reverse order. Just remember to get this actual shifter arm lined up correctly, as the hole is both ends. Okay, once that's back on, we'll then put our shifter arm back on, which has this little cube that has to slot into this arm here. There we go. Fiesta gear persuasion. Just got to make sure that that little cube lines up dead square, like so, and then we can flop our dust cover back over with as little grief as possible. Once we've done that, we should now be able to just test it and she'll shift gears quite happily. So we'll just tap on our gear cable like so, and then same with the other one. Like that, and then we can put our little securing clips back in. This one, we're just gonna finish off the job by putting this little circlip back on. Just tap home. There we go. She ain't going nowhere. Okay, so that's your cables back together, circlips in place, and top cable in place as well. All your dust cover fitted correctly, and as you can see, if we just operate it, all nice and smooth, how it should be. So that's pretty much how to do this. Okay, so that's all for today's video. As you can see, it's not too difficult to actually change one of these selector seals, and I hope it has helped you today, because I have heard that this is quite a common fault on these ST150s, as well as just normal Mk6 Fiesta. But if it has, all I ask of you is please like, comment, subscribe on the video, and be sure to stay tuned for more content in the future. Take it easy guys, I'll catch you in the next one.